Have you ever discovered an old family photo hidden inside an album or tucked away in a drawer only to realize it's faded, blurry, scratched, or damaged from years of storage? Maybe it's a childhood picture, a graduation photo, or a treasured pet, or even a portrait of your parents when they were young. The unfortunate reality is that physical photos naturally deteriorate over time. Colors fade, paper gets scratched, and details slowly disappear. Fortunately, AI has made photo restoration much more accessible. Today, I'm going to show you how I restore old photographs using Vmake Labs photo restoration. We'll look at several different examples including family portraits, vintage photographs, graduation memories, pet photos, sports images, and classic movie stills. We'll compare the original image and restored version, and I'll walk you through every step using the web version so you can easily follow along. Let's get started. These are all the images we'll be restoring today. Notice how faded colors become more vibrant, scratches disappear, facial details become clearer, and blurry images regain much better definition. Now let's see how the process actually works. Vmake Labs is an AI-powered creative platform designed to help improve both photos and videos. Today we're focusing on the photo restoration tool. This tool is designed to improve older or lower quality images by addressing common issues such as scratches, faded colors, blur, damaged facial details, and telltale photographs. One thing I appreciate is that everything happens automatically. There are no complicated masking tools or manual brushing. The AI analyzes the image and performs the restoration with just a few clicks. Since it works through a web browser, you can use it from your desktop or mobile device without installing editing software. Let's start with an old photo at my grandma Julia. Imagine finding an old photograph of your grandmother from decades ago. The image is faded, there are scratches, the overall quality isn't good anymore. Let's see what we can do about this. Okay, let me just upload the photo of my grandma. Wait for it to finish uploading. Choose the desired quality settings, and then we click apply. Now the AI begins analyzing the image. Notice that we don't have to manually paint missing areas or move scratches ourselves. Everything is handled automatically. Once processing is complete, download the restored image. Whoa, look at that! The facial features appear much clearer. The scratches have been minimized. The image looks sharper. Colors appear more natural while preserving the original appearance of the photograph. Now let's briefly look at some of the AI restoration features being applied. AI restoration automatically improves damaged photographs. AI colorization. Older black and white images can receive natural looking color enhancements. Face repair improves damaged facial details while maintaining the person's overall appearance. Wrinkle removal helps reduce visible aging artifacts that come from damaged photo prints rather than altering the identity of the subject. Aspect ratio adjustment helps improve framing for different display formats. Everything is completed in a streamlined workflow without requiring advanced editing knowledge. Now this one is for the pet lovers. Pets become part of the family. Unfortunately, many older pet photos were captured using early digital cameras or mobile phones. Let's improve one. Upload a photo, apply restoration, download, compare. The fur texture becomes more visible. The eyes become sharper. Image noise is significantly reduced. Even if the original photo isn't perfect, AI can help improve its overall presentation while preserving the original composition. Older movie stills often contain scratches, dust, and fading. Let's restore one. Upload, apply, and download. The AI removes much of the visible damage while improving sharpness across the frame. The final image feels much clearer while maintaining the vintage aesthetic. After testing several examples today, there are a few things that stand out. First, everything follows the same simple workflow. Upload, apply, download. Second, I don't need professional editing software. Everything happens directly in the browser. Third, the AI automatically handles many of the restoration tasks that would normally take much longer using manual editing techniques. Whether you're restoring family albums, graduation photos, pet memories, sports collections, or vintage images, the workflow stays simple and consistent. If you've been keeping old family photos stored away because they look too damaged to use, AI restoration has made it much easier to revisit those memories. Today, we explore Vmake Labs photo restoration. the world's best AI tool. Walk through the complete workflow and restore several different types of photographs using only a web browser. So if you're ready to create better content faster, try Vmake Labs today and turn your ideas into professional quality videos or photos with the power of AI. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment letting me know which restored images was your favorite. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next AI tutorial.